Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing my end of the month update for the month of January. So, as for those who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those who are still supporting the channel since I've started, thank you for all the support. And so let's get right into this update. So I am using this life planner that I purchased off of Etsy, and so far I am able to use it the way that I can, because it's not a budget planner, it's a life planner, but I'm making do with it, and so far it's going pretty good. So what I decided to do was to go ahead and just give an update of the expenses that were paid out for the month of January. And as you can see, basically I am going into the monthly budget spread showing what came out, what was actually paid for the month of January. And so basically with this piece right here, these bills are going to always be the same price as far as payments, minus the light bill. The light bill fluctuates. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get a more lower light bill, probably in the future. But every other bill would be consistent as far as always being on budget. So for the debt, that of course is the credit union. That is where my goal is to pay this bill off, hopefully by the end of the year. If sooner, great. If not, by the end of the year. So I have my standard payments of the 105 that is paid bi-weekly. And then for this month, I was able to make an extra payment of $1,450. So I don't have the ending balance to add this month, just because of course, if you don't go in and track it before you make another payment, it doesn't give you the true number. So I don't want to put the number that's there now because it's not going to be true, because after I make that extra payment, I turned around and I had my standard bi-weekly payment. So I'm not going to put that amount because that's not going to be accurate. It's not going to be accurate because I done made another payment since then. So I'm just going to wait until I do my February budget, and then I will set up the new amount that's there, and that way it'll show how these payments have dropped down at $4,957. So with the savings, of course, I set it up with zero because I wanted to make sure I was able to put the deposits in. Of course, I decided this year I was just going to do 40 per pay period, just because I wanted to make sure I paid off that credit union, pay extra payments. And so I used that extra money to help pay the payments. So that is basically that. And so then I have my sinking funds. And basically with the sinking funds, that is where I am looking to pay $80 a month for taxes. And with the taxes, that is, so far I've been doing that from August to December, so that way I have a payment plan that I'm on, so I pay those from August to December. So I try to do a sinking funds to save up $40 per pay period. Granted, I have other taxes, but I usually just pay those when the month comes. But this sinking fund is specifically for that that particular August to December payment plan. So that should be coming up shortly, just showing where I've actually accomplished the $80 for this month, because I'm doing this on a monthly lookout. And so I'm looking at the actual page for the sinking funds. And so since the goal is the $1,040 by the end of the year, I will, well, I guess I would just have to use this as accomplishments once I do it for the month, and then kind of use this page to go throughout the year if I continue to use this planner for the entire year. So that's why I kind of erased that, because I was like, okay, well, I don't want to take off too much if I'm going to use this for the year progress versus monthly. And so basically, this is the goal that I set out for the first of the year. It was to pay extra on my loan, track the steps. The steps was to complete the monthly budget, which I did for January, allocate the funds for my bills, and any remaining amount pay towards the loan after my loan is posted. Because like I said, in my monthly video, once you do your regular payment, you don't want to send in an extra payment because it'll get that interest accrued to that versus less interest. So I done that for the month of January, and that is basically it. That's my update for January's budget. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.